semagai chiskuru ao kwearigania ase amatemu yekerasi kia gatano na gatatu na boigo gia 12 ayera chikobaga korwa asobwango igabono niga serikali yanyare koba igwesokia na gotebanga yanyare koba gekoire bitambukiro airi kwene kebuna amatemu ayina chikobaga korwa asenchira yobotoreru na boigo ase enchira yoboikeranu ayaniga kwano lituko lia lero na ombo director bwe chiskuru osebwe chisemia sorogongo rwa Nyanza Nelson Sifuna chinga kianyara kobaga gotarera eskuru yabamura ya nyanchwa ase atika kobaga koerera emerobele serikali yanyare kobaga kubeka bene lyo koneke buna amatemo ina chikobaga korwa asenchire boikerano musaki oito Brighton Makori amona mange mono
nechinga kichiri bano aborokiwa bado chokara amatemo manne yomwako yigabwanete kuyarigania asibone serikali yabekire emerobelyo aho eri guchikwana kuna amateba yuko korekanale asinjira endonge kaokwana aseskuru yabamura ya nyanchwa Sifuna oyoro regional education director korwa serosagi rwa Nyanza nigateruna.
Students, I want to assure you we have put all preparations in place to ensure the exam that will be handled will be incident free.
Gati yemerobeli babekire ngamo no kwene kuna masakara ngo yugwale koru asakachire.
Exam will be corrected twice. That when you sit for the first exam, it is delivered, then we collect the second paper. Because what we want, as you are aware, the cabinet secretary in charge of education grew up in provincial administration. There are no nonsense people. We do not want to have any school that has an advantage over the other because of other means. And that is why we have put in place all measures.
Sifuna boigo nigo arure obosemigo cha saborokiwa.
It does not matter the grade you get, but what matters is how you prepare yourself going forward. But as we do that, we also require that you leave a mark. Because there are some grades you need not come to school and you sit scholarly. To get an aid, you go to school. You sit at home. It is also important when you come. We saw last year that people have money and they want to join politics. When they are asked, which school did you go to? I was surprised. A new university emerged from nowhere. Someone who has been very good. When he was asked the university he went to, he mentioned the university I was hearing for the first time. You will change your family depending on how you look at it, and you have a mindset that will make you important. So as you prepare, your teachers have done their best. Now it's a question of just being in groups and revising. You tackle a hard topic, you discuss. Even that topic you are discussing, you'll be surprised, will be the one that will come in the exam.
Aina harabano ewisara HSM yanyarire kobekeri kwene kuna matemo manene yomwako yoiga kokorekanale asinjira endonge karabatani aho abagandete gusukuma na kwene kuna amachiko na marawango cyari kubatiwa iri kwene kuna abana ngokorabara matemo ayo buya matemo ayo ni gakagire gochaka mutinyogo cha ekaroto bwata matemo aragatatu Kenya Primary School Education Assessment KPSEA, Kenya Certificate of Primary Education KCB, Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education KCSE asabana bange barobetu chokra matemo abo anene boigo ekarumoroberio o 844 okagere gochikwera ekarabana bagatano gatatu bagachokra matemo abo yo moelio Kuripoti kita seni Ndizi TV Brighton Makori.